if it is required to be doing usability testing. So this is how this overall execution path of your usability testing. You have initial test plan, which is the test protocol is created, and you have the screener with you, and then both of them you have to take an approval from the management who you are calling and what you are going to do, and then you will take an approval for the resources, and then if you are using any tool, Techgig tool or any A/B testing tool or an automated expert review tool like that, so you will take an approval by the tool, and then you will call your HR department or your some consultancy will hire the resources, and you can set up the lab in the meantime. What are all the things? If it is a pure mirror, if you want people to observe you during the usability test execution, you should apply this two-way mirror, or else it's not really required. One of the slides you might have seen that they've been in a conference room, and then the moderator actually is conducting the usability testing. And then you will then the tedious task, which is like putting the report and analysis, that what kind of things, what are all the things which will improve the usability of the core product, and it should be in well written, and it should be easily readable, so that the product management and the administration take a look at that, and then okay, this, let me try that, because there is nothing wrong than trying one of the best practice, which is usability. So you should convince the management. Okay, so now if for example you are saying that okay, give me $500 or 20,000, 25,000 rupees for this usability testing session, and if they say, why are we doing this in the first place? If they say, if you don't do this, nothing really going to change, but if you do this, then there is a huge chance that our product will be more usable, and it will result into sales or user experience. You can convince the management like that. Okay, so and also you should make sure that you should engage the designers and developers. Okay, for they give a product which is engaging and which is compelling and which is effective, and then you can make sure that it is efficient or accurate, or the people able to recall, and the emotional response is awesome. Okay, then you'll give the final presentation to the management leadership, and then you'll make them take their approval, because and then make sure that you will involve the CEO or CTO of the company in this, like approach them early and then tell them, so that they will support you when it comes to taking this kind of initiatives in the approvals. They'll come with you for the approvals. They will help you to make sure that the product management buys your usability suggestion ideas, because you suggest 10 different things, and in that 5 is rejected and then 5 is viable. If the CEO or CTO is present, they will be able to support you, and then they make sure that these usability related improvements are actually coming to the product in the later releases, and then so that you will see an improved user experience in the product. Okay, so I had displayed some links that I'm anyway going to upload this in SlideShare, this slide. So you people can download that from there. Okay, so certain links like so the first link is usability.gov, where you can download all sort of documentation information. There is eye tracking initiative, and then there is a smart video usability testing of a fruit, and then there is another video, 7 principles. And then this A/B testing, one of the testing methods in the 5 usability testing methods. There are the set of tools were there, and then there is an amazing presentation by Barry Briggs that is about PET, persuasion, emotion, and trust. You should really take a look, and you should make sure that your designers and developers are taking a look when designing the product. And then the god of usability is Jacob Nielsen, and so there is certain books, and there are certain documentation is available in the site. And then web usability. Don't make me think is amazing book by Steve Crook. So you're supposed to read that by yourself, and you should make sure that your developers read that. Like I displayed an Amazon link because like it's a book that is being sold. I cannot give a PDF version of it, so a link of it. But I think you people are smart enough to search in Google about this. Yeah. So thanks for your time. Now it's like so you can connect me in my email ID, and then you can ask me some questions if you really want. And my Nimbus chat ID is Ravindran2454, and you can download Nimbus for any mobile if you are using. So now I think I'm open for questions. So please go ahead.
Thank you, Ravi. I have already shared a couple of questions with you.